Digital Money Tools, Part 6. Tool number 5, Rocket Money, Hidden Spending and Subscriptions Killer. The Silent Money Killer. Most people don't lose money in big amounts. They lose it silently. $5 here, $10 there. Subscriptions they forgot. Bills they never questioned. By the end of the month, money is gone, and they don't even know how. This is not overspending. This is invisible spending. Rocket Money was built to expose it. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a financial control app designed to help you track recurring subscriptions, identify unnecessary expenses, monitor bills, reduce waste automatically. It doesn't focus on how much you earn. It focuses on how much you leak. Stopping leaks is easier than earning more. The subscription trap, very important. Modern life runs on subscriptions, streaming, apps, cloud storage, fitness, music, software. The problem? Subscriptions are designed to be easy to start, hard to remember, easy to forget. Companies profit from your inaction. Rocket Money makes these hidden charges visible. How Rocket Money works, step by step. Rocket Money works in 4 simple steps. Step 1, account scanning. It connects to your bank and card accounts. Step 2, recurring charge detection. It identifies monthly subscriptions, annual renewals, irregular recurring payments. Step 3, subscription dashboard. You see what you pay, how often, how much yearly. This clarity alone shocks most users. Step 4, action. You can cancel subscriptions, set alerts, negotiate bills. Awareness leads to action. Why people ignore small expenses. Small expenses feel harmless. It's only $5. It's just $10. But small expenses are dangerous because they repeat, they grow, they stay unnoticed. Rocket Money forces you to confront reality gently but clearly. Real-life story, relatable. Meet Daniel. Daniel believed he was careful with money. After using Rocket Money, found 6 subscriptions. 2 he never remembered. 1 free trial turned paid. He canceled 3. Result? Hundreds saved yearly, without changing lifestyle. Bill negotiation. Feature powerful. Rocket Money can even negotiate bills for you. Internet, phone, cable. Instead of calling companies yourself, Rocket Money negotiates on your behalf. If savings happen, they take a small percentage. No savings, no fee. Common mistakes. Users make people misuse Rocket Money when they cancel blindly without reviewing. They ignore renewal alerts. They don't review annually. Rocket Money works best as a monthly checkup tool. Security and trust. Rocket Money uses secure encryption, read-only access, trusted financial connections. It cannot move money without permission. Your control remains intact. Who should use Rocket Money? Rocket Money is perfect for subscription-heavy users, digital lifestyle spenders, families. Anyone feeling money disappears. Not ideal if you rarely use subscriptions. You want investment tools. This is about control, not growth. How Rocket Money fits in your system. Think of your financial system like this: Mint, Visibility, YNAB, Direction, Acorns, Investing Digit, Saving Rocket Money, Leak Control. Every tool has a role. This video series is still going. If you want to watch the next part, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. The next tool might change how you see your money forever.